right, so I'm here with Jose. This is actually an interview I've been wanting to do for a minute now. He is the lead installer, the head installer here at Ocala Car Audio. So he gets all of the really technical jobs, and that's why I didn't get a chance to work with him. Right now we're sitting in a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. And what he's done is he's integrated a full JL audio system. I got to help with basic door speaker installs, but he's integrated a full JL system into this vehicle. Now I'm gonna show you the dash real quick, and then we're gonna talk about what it actually takes to do an install like this. It's three major components being installed in here. You started with, I'm probably gonna get this wrong, a Fix 86 under the seat?
No, Fix 82.
So tell us a little bit about what the Fix 82 does.
So the Fix 82 takes a crossover and equalized signal coming from the factory amplifier.
Okay.
And sums it to give, and de-equalizes it to give you a flat signal going into aftermarket amplifier.
So I really wanna highlight that if you're trying to install a car audio system on your own, I have 30 years experience and this was way over my head. I'm glad Jose was kind enough to help let me help him with the install. But what he just said is basically, we're gonna take your factory radio outputs, he's gonna sum them into the Fix 82.
They go into the Fix 82 and then the Fix 82
it flattens
it out to
so,
the smooth response.
So you're crossing it over there, then you're sending it over, uncrossed over to the amplifier.
Exactly.
So that you can recross it over.
So we can tune it and get it right.
Get it the way you want it to sound, recross it over, which took a laptop to do.
Yep.
I mean, this is a very technical install. Everything's got to be tested. This is not plug and play anymore. And this is just a basic standard 2023 new car with the amenities that most people want, correct?
Yep.
So this is what it takes pretty much from this point on to put a radio in a car.
Today's vehicles, you just don't want to start messing around with, you know, a lot
highly recommend not to do it. I've been watching these guys, and like I said, basically I've been able to aid them in pulling panels out, running wires behind for them, but then I let them do the technical stuff, and I got to sit back and watch and be amazed to see that these guys are still doing it. As far as technology's taken it, you guys got to kind of be an engineer at this point almost.
Down there.
How long have you been doing installs?
It's about 38 years now.
So 38 years, obviously you stayed with it. I want to say thank you for your time. I've really enjoyed working with you. Everybody here at Ocala Car Audio, game changers in the industry.
Glad to have you this week, man. It's been awesome, or this past month. It's been awesome.
Oh man, I tell you what, it's been great.
All right, man.